Alright, welcome to this video for, yours is called something different. Mine's called Lewis Menu, but whatever. And we got, again, a little bit of a different name, Lewis Little Lucipi Loitery. And we got the food of the day, today's soups, today's desserts, this kind of stuff. Okay, so yours is also going to have foods, and let's see, what does this one look like? Here we have it. There we go. So we're going to be formatting some of this stuff, and the body's background is Azure. Is that showing up there? Maybe it is Azure. It's just kind of light right there. Let's see, Azure. Yeah, I guess it is that light. Okay. Well, with this, what we can notice right off the bat is that we've got a class that's vegetarian. So I'm going to start there. And let's give ourselves a vegetarian class. So it's dot. And then we're going to try to use the same, I'm going to try to use the same spelling. Vegetarian, open fancy brackets, close fancy brackets. And with this then I can put in the attributes of this vegetarian tag, and I would like the color to be sea green. How about that? Why am I choosing sea green? Because it's a nice color. Down here you can see sea green. That's going to look pretty good. So if I open this now and reload it, whoops, wrong page, reload it, well, since we already had the vegetarian class applied to some of these tags, it is showing the change in, well, those items. Okay, so we got Lou, green bananas, curry vegetables. I don't know how to say that, but keki, I guess. Well, with that, continuing on with this assignment, what they want from us is to format or give some style to our level 2 headers. So I've got H2 on that, my level 2 headers, and I'm ready now to give it a style. Specifically a color, which we're going to choose. Let's see if we can find us a good one in here. Sea green, let's try to keep it green, I guess, but we'll go with, how about light sea green? That seems like it's pretty good. Hey, you know what? In fact, let's just let's keep it green, but instead of light sea green, I think that may turn out a little bit too light. Let's just go with let's see. Well, let's change it. Not green. We'll do a light coral. How about that one? So the color for my level 2 header is going to be LIGHTCORAL. And what is this going to do for me? Well, it's not going to do anything. Well, no, it will, because we have the tags in there, right? We just changed the tags, and this is that light coral color. All right, now we have to apply some of our own IDs in here, and that's what we're going to do next. And our first ID that we're going to be using is one that we're going to call new on this. We'll pretend like it's a new item on the list. And for the new item, whichever one we end up choosing, we're going to give it a color of, we'll just keep it light, and how about orange? So again, it's not going to change anything for us until we get this into the code. So I'm going to come down here to, I'm going to call that fake, and we're going to give it the ID of new, close quote. So when I run this now, we should change fake into that orange color. Let's see if it happens. There it is. Now I know that it is new. So you only needed one item, I think, to be new, or a specific item, I forget. But in any case, we're now ready for the last ID that we need on this one, which we're going to call a crowd-favorite. Open fancy brackets, close fancy brackets. And we're going to give the crowd favorite a color of red. Red seems like a good color, and a font style, FONT-STYLE, colon, we're going to italicize that font style. Okay, now again, we haven't applied it, so even if I reload this, it's not going to change anything until we apply this class, the ID, crowd favorite, to some of these items. So I'm going to start with, how about CP, right there. And we're going to give it the ID equals quotations, and it's going to be CROWD dash, for me, favorite, there we go. And that at least applies to the CP right there. So when I go and reload this, we can see it changed into that red italicized look. And yeah, there's only one new and one crowd favorite. I thought maybe there was another item we needed, but again, check with your assignment. Make sure that you have that down. This is all we need. We can see that the code is working. Here is the code. Well, at least the top half. And here's the very end of the code right there. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps. We'll see you guys in the next video.